Want to create stunning Arabic calligraphy in just 5 minutes? I'm going to show you how. 5 minutes to calm your mind, find your flow, and create something beautiful. Let's get started. Here's what we need: ink, water, a brush, your favorite pen, and some paper. Don't worry about being perfect. This is about letting go, having fun, and finding that inner peace through art. I bought this vintage book from Old Book Bazaar, Istanbul. You can try this method on old book page or smooth calligraphy paper.
Find your rhythm. Take a deep breath with me. Feel the tension melt away. Now, let's write. Focus on each stroke, each letter.
I am writing with Zig calligraphy markers. They are great for calligraphy. No ink bleeds and writes like traditional Arabic calligraphy pen.
The key is to have a steady hand and a good flow. Pause when you have written one word. Take deep breaths between each pause. You don't have to write words in one go, you can pause. Next, I am using forest green ink by Sennelier for some intuitive patterns in my calligraphy. Now the burgundy ink for some color variation in this piece. Watch this. See how the ink reacts with the water. It's like magic. This is where we find our inspiration, our starting point. Let those abstract shapes guide your creativity. The water adds another layer, something unplanned, something unique. This is where the magic happens, where we find beauty in the unexpected. It's like the imperfection enhances the beauty, reminding us that even in art, there's a balance between precision and spontaneity. Finding beauty in imperfection. There you have it, Arabic calligraphy with a touch of the abstract. It's a reminder that perfection isn't the only goal. Sometimes, it's about letting go, embracing the unexpected, and finding beauty in the journey itself. You can wait for inks to dry, or work wet on wet. The important part is to have fun on the way. Feel Good Calligraphy, just like Ali Abdaal's new book Feel Good Productivity. It's a great read, by the way. If you are not enjoying what you do, chances are you will not gain mastery over it. And there you have it. A beautiful piece of Arabic calligraphy, created with my own unique style. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you'll give it a try yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more calligraphy videos.